Good morning, everybody. It's Philly Maverick in the new Centris. Just running for another day. I'm gonna go look at cars today with Mom. Just like to share with you that it's September 14th. It's 9:45 a.m. Getting my brother into treatment today, and my friend Sean. Hopefully he sticks and stays, man. He needs to tough it out, but I've been through the process myself, and albeit a difficult one, it doesn't last forever. It's a very, very temporary, short amount of time that you gotta go through horrible agony, but it is well worth it to be off that Veti trank. You know that. Alright, so I'd like to share with you James Taylor, Fire and Rain.
Out of that tune and jump right into the next one. A song I wrote myself.
Still need to get the shower.
Mostly here and partially in the United States too.
Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out on the morning, and I wrote down the song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought that I'd see you again. Word hurts. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me to make a stand. Just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I don't make it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I'd always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking the miles in an easy time with my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around now. There's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines in pieces on the ground. Whoa, now I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you somehow one more time again now. I thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around. Oh, now I thought I'd see you, I thought I'd see you finally. La 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 la.
Just want to say hi to my daughter, Neytiri / Boynton. Love you very much, honey. wish I'm missing my deceased wife. In 2017, 7 years now. My mother isn't in the best of health. I gotta set up her doctor's appointments. I got the Beetle fixed yesterday. Had to overhaul the complete cooling system. The coolant flange broke, and so I had to replace the coolant flange. It sprayed hot coolant out onto the ignition coil. It failed that, so it's been quite a project. But I got it up and running yesterday because I got the ignition coil on, then I had to find out what the firing order was. It was an ordeal, but I got it all fixed. Just sitting outside Mammals, adopted grandmother Mammals, and my youngest brother Dakota Salvitti, he just left to go to Yu-Gi-Oh! Regionals, and I'm sitting outside his and Mammal's place, waiting for Mom to feed Puss Puss. Puss Puss! What's up, Puss Puss? Mammal's cat. Oh yeah, and then she's got to bring Little Man, one of our cats, Little Man, down from Dakota's. And Solomon Martin, my brother that introduced me to Christ well over a decade now, is back in my life. We were trying to get in touch with each other for years and unable to do so, but he's been back ever since. But I got in touch with him when I got out of the hospital. I was in the hospital. I went in 3 weeks ago, and I was there for 5 days. So it was like right after that we were able to get in touch with each other. See what we're going to work on today. Just try and focus in on myself and improve the areas in which I can do so. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. God's will, not mine, be done. Amen, amen, amen. Need to start generating some income, working on my project, local gigs, and trying to roll out an app initially onto Android, and having deepai.org assist me. Howdy to the best assistant ever. Man, it's like having a whole staff of people utilizing that. Excuse me. Utilizing that utility is existentially important. Just thinking about taking a limited time offer of selling 5% stakes in my company. I'll be leaving a link to the website, localgigsnearme.com. think that's what I'm gonna go with. I still need to secure that URL and go about doing that, but funds are so limited right now that it's just hard to get up off the ground. I gotta do everything myself for my family, step in, make sure that the bills are paid, and then, oh, here he comes. Or she comes with the cat. Hey, can I just take it back to the house? Here, I'll close the windows.
Wait.
Oh.
Let me get them in first. All right, come on.
Hey, little man.
Close them. Hurry up.
He's not going to get out.
Oh, yeah, I locked the door. Hold on.
All right. Hey, buddy. Say what's up, little man. Squirt, Chuck, little man. Meow. What's up, buddy? Hey. Don't you dare pee in here or something. I will kick your butt. Meow. I know, you got a lot to say, don't you? Here. Here, let me back up here. I'm gonna have her drive the car. It's just one time. No, I'm gonna drive back to the house.
Squirt. Ryan, this is really taking a chance. You're no
Hey,
license.
watch.
Squirt. What? Hey, Squirt. Squirt.
Till next time. Toodaloo.